One box of 708 Topps Letterman.
画。
这个也好。
Before Mexico passed Larry Bird booklet from the Letterman. So thin, huh?
Yeah,
So thin. This bag.
With Larry Bird and Magic Johnson.
Redemption.
Yeah, redemption. Huh?
What's that?
It's the redemption.
Redemption.
4 card.
Huh?
Yeah, redemption.
Gabriel Nas.
Whoa.
And
those-
Jamison.
Oh yeah.
Anton
That's
Jensen.
a case hit.
Kiss here.
Yeah.
And
case
also-
hit. That the
Dual Scenic.
Scenic.
Scenic
So which one
signature.
is the-
Reflector of
Yeah.
Gabriel Nas and Anton Jensen.
Yes, this is the case here. Maybe not?
Refractor 可能是限量物品 ，Number 25。这个完了，然后选一轻的选对了，这个够。
Dominic Wilkins. LeBron James. Nice. Number 7 of 9.
Yes,
LeBron
very
James.
nice.
Team logo.
Yeah.
Patch.
This one's the reflector one.
No? No.
Yes, the reflector.
Oh. No. Every card number.
LeBron James.
Okay, last pack.
Should be auto.
All over.
Wrong way.
Number
Ray Allen. We have
Nicky Young.
Nicky Young.
Yeah.
Rookie. Number 8 of 15.
Yeah.
Yep.
Real.
That's it.
Real.
We have dual autograph, Scenic autograph, Gabriel Arenas, Anton Jameson, and LeBron James. And Nicky Young. Okay, nice box. See ya.